Welcome back to the Algebra Solver. For our particular problem, we need to evaluate the expression 2 times quantity a squared plus 2y all divided by b. So this is it. Okay. So this is the quantity here multiplied by 2, all of this thing divided by b, where a is 3, y is 1/2, and b is -5. Okay. Now using PEMDAS, this is the hierarchy of operations. This is the order of operations. You simplify the parentheses first. That means this parenthesis. And you do the exponents later. And then you do the multiplication. The multiplication is between 2 of this quantity. And then there's a division. The division is between this group here, divided by b, and of course addition and subtraction last. Now normally we would think that the addition and subtraction will be done last, but why is it that we're going to do this one first? This and this. Okay. Now what it means is that when you see PEMDAS, you simplify the parentheses first. So this is the set of parentheses here. So you have to simplify this one first. Now inside the parentheses, there's also a hierarchy. You apply PEMDAS. So in this case, the exponents will have to be done first, and then of course here the multiplication, and then the addition. So it's a hierarchy within a hierarchy, or an order within an order. So simply put, you do the parentheses first. You simplify the terms inside the parentheses. Alright, so let's try to substitute the values now. So you have 2 times a squared. Let's put a inside its own parenthesis so that you'll not be confused. Plus 2 times y, which is 1/2. Again, let's put y in its own parenthesis. And now comes the big parenthesis here. And this is divided by b, which is -5. Okay, so we're going to simplify the parentheses first. Simplify the parentheses first because that's the order of operations. Now inside the parentheses, you apply PEMDAS again. So inside the parentheses, you do the exponents first, the multiplication, and then the addition. So you do the exponents first, you do this multiplication next, and you do this addition next, all within these parentheses. So simplifying, we'll have here 2 times 3 squared is 9, plus 2 times 1/2 is 2 divided by 2, means equals 1, and divided by -5. Okay, 5. We're going to simplify this. That will be 2. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Divided by -5. Simplifying further, this is 20 divided by -5. So if you have a division of two numbers, one of them is negative, they have different signs, so the resulting quotient will be a negative. 20 divided by 5 is 4, so this is -4. This is the value of that expression, and we're going to simplify it. So the original expression is 2 times quantity a squared plus 2y all over or divided by b, and we have substituted the values of a, y, and b. So to simplify this, we have already done that. So this is 2 a squared plus 2y divided by b is equal to -4. If and only if a equals 3, y equals 1/2. Okay, a equals 3, y equals 1/2, and b equals -5. So that's our final answer. Let's encircle that. Let's encircle that. Okay. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next problem.